Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pivot chart in Excel step by step. So let's start is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So to create pivot chart, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Or the second way is simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the shortcut key Control A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, click on the Pivot Charts option. Just click on this drop-down arrow and select here the Pivot Chart. And here you can see the Create Pivot Chart dialog box is open. Choose the data that you want to analyze. So select the data. So here the range is automatically selected. And the second option, choose where you want the pivot chart to be placed. New sheet here default selected. Just click on it and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the new sheet is added with the pivot chart fields with the pivot chart analysis, design tab and format tab. So to create chart, simply drag the fields below the areas. So areas, you can see the filters, legend series, excise categories and values. You can just drag the fields below the area to create your pivot chart. You can use the pivot chart analysis also for your pivot chart. Okay. So I just drag the fields below area. I just drag the product in excise. Okay. Total price in values and date in filters. Okay. See here in pivot charts. I just drag the corner point and increase the size of the pivot chart. You can see the filter of date also here added. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can filter here the particular date also. Suppose I select the one date and click on OK. See the changes here in pivot chart and data also change accordingly. So I again click on it. Now I select the multiple date. So I just select here to 4 date. Okay. Then click on the see here changes in your pivot chart. Okay. As per the filter, data change and pivot chart also change. Okay. Click on the arrow and click on the all and click on the OK. Now you can see the all data here selected. Okay. So here you can see the pivot chart change accordingly data filters. Okay. So date filters. Okay. So, and here you can see in horizontal showing the product name and in vertical showing the values. If you want to change the horizontal excise, you can change it. In excise category, you can just click on this drop down arrow, click on the remove it. And you can add here the different list also. So here I'm going to add the category, just drag here in excess and you can see now in horizontal showing the category list, same as here in data also showing the category list. Okay, so this is a way you can change also. Okay, and with this you can use the pivot chart analyze option. You can insert the slicer. Okay, if you want to insert the slicer, just click on it and select the column those you want in slicer. So I want product, so I just click on OK. So here you can see the create slicer with the list of product name. So when you click on the any product, the data will filter accordingly selection and pivot chart also change accordingly filters. If you want to select the multiple products, you can select it. Just hold the key of control key and select the another products and just see here the changes. The filter is applied. Okay. So data change and same as pivot chart also changed. So this is a way you can use the here slicer also. Okay. And if you want to change the style, if you want to design your pivot chart, just go to the design tab. Here the chart style is available. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the style that you want. Okay, select it. Okay. If you want to change color of the column, so simply click on the column. Okay, right click of the mouse and here the field option is available. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the any colors those you want to fill in the your columns. Okay, so I select this red one. Okay, same as if you want to fill color in chart area. This is a chart area. Okay, so simply right click on it. Okay, then click on the field options. You can select here the color those you want in chart area. Okay, so you can fill the different color also. Okay, and if you want to change the layout, again go to the design tab in chart layout group. Click on the quick layout option. You can see different type of layout is available. When keep cursor on the layout, see the preview in your pivot chart. See the preview. Okay, select those you want. So I change here the layout also. Okay. So this is a way you can use here the all option of design tab, same as in pivot chart analysis. There are so much option is available. If you want to add in fields something, so just click on the chart and go to the pivot chart analysis. In show or hide group, click on the field list. You can see the field list is now showing. If you want to remove something, add something fields, so you can add it easily. Okay, and you can change your pivot chart accordingly. Okay, so this is a way you can create pivot chart in Excel step by step. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.